Hey everyone, this is Devlon Reard from Metaverse and Crypto coming at you today with a little bit of a market update. Haven't been around for quite a while. Looking at the market, what do we have here? We've got Bitcoin, which has been down again from its all-time high of around $111,000. It's dropped down back down to 104. We've got, the market has been, active, pumped up to a new all-time high and has been bleeding off a little bit. Seems like we've leveled out a bit and some things have come up a little bit too. BTC bounced off a bottom that we have going here. What was it as we load up? We kind of, in that 103,000 range. We're up about $1,000 on that one. XRP has looks like it's had a little bit more of a run up. BNB bounced off the bottom as well. So the main ones, they look like that. Solana, let's see what it did. It's down to $157 and its peak here was up, pushing 180 almost again. So we're looking at a good market and we've dropped off, the percentages for the week have been down. 24 hours is down a little bit. So anything we're looking, okay for the market right now. Where it's going to go, nobody really knows. But those things that are still working, people, still hoping things off. The alts, some of them have dumped down even further. Look at that. Beyond Solana, Doge has gone down in the top as well as, you know, Cardano, Sui's off a little bit for the 7 day as well. So typically everything is kind of moving up and down. Things that I would like to show you that, a new perp deck that's available on the base chain that I've talked about a bit in the past to some people, and Flex has got a new perpetual exchange on base. Like I said, they're linked in with Aerodrome. If you want to get in there, they get their data from, you know, chain link data. They also got partnered with Pyth if you want to go. So they have some strong partnerships. They also have an investor base which has some, real world assets. So these people are not going anywhere that back it. One of the individuals that works for it, you know, is been around in the game for crypto for a long time. He's more of a a BTC ETH kind of player, and he's looking at that. So you can get on the decks. You can get on here. We'll go over it in more details. But if you open up the app, if you're into trading, you can trade. If you want to provide just liquidity into the pools, you can earn as well. So if you get into the FLP marketing and platform rewards, you can earn there as well. So if you want to put in stuff to their FLP, which allows you to get in for traders, they have tokens that you can earn as well and flex points. So we'll get into this in more detail in a bit further video. But just if you want to check out, Flex Perpetuals is kind of what you want to look at. So you get into that one. Flex Trade is kind of the name. So if you, I'll include this as well here. So flex.trade is where you want to go. So you can get there. Make sure you're not going to any malicious sites and stuff like that. Connect your wallet. Again, it's on base. So you'll need ETH on the base chain in order to do transactions to trade on there, and provide if you want to provide your liquidity as well, you'll need that the base ETH as well to do that. And you can provide your liquidity, I think, in USDC, ETH, or BTC as well, because they, as part of the chain as well. That's they kind of manage those three tokens as well, and they spread it out. So some of the risk is in stable coins if you're providing liquidity for traders on the chain. So you have BTC and ETH, and then you also have a stable coin as well. So anyways, give it a look, Flex Trade, and if you like it, let me know in the comments below. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.